This is Dr. Rick Watcher here. Welcome to Trade Media TV, where we help you with the fundamentals of trading. Now, the trading is a very important business, but a lot of people desire to be traders, but they do not know the fundamentals. So, Trade Media TV seeks to help you learn the basis of trading. I've watched a lot of trading videos on YouTube, and unfortunately, most people start off their channels with very technical words, very technical um, indicators, which sometimes is not able to help somebody like you who wants to start trading but does not understand the basis of it. So, Trade TV or Trade Media TV seeks to help you with the fundamentals of trading, how you can start your trading journey. What is resistance level? What is support? What when we talk about support levels, what is it? We would explain the fundamentals of trading psychology. We would study the legends or heroes of the trading business, like Paul Tudor Jones, like Warren Buffett, like all the great leaders of the trading industry that you might have heard of. But most importantly, we will focus on the fundamentals of trading and how you can start your trading journey. I believe it's an important industry, it's an emerging industry. It has been there for years, but very few people have been able to be successful in the field. And I believe that very few people have been successful in the field because the majority do not know the fundamentals. And I am going to help you with exactly that. I'm going to help you with the fundamentals of trading. I'm going to explain all the technical words. I'm going to fundamentally talk about the psychology, which I believe forms 90% of a successful trader. If you want to be a successful trader, you need to get your psychology right. And I'm going to use majority of my videos on this channel to talk about psychology. I am a researcher, I am an entrepreneur, and I'm also a trader. And I believe that one, having been on this journey for the past 3 years, I believe that what you need to know most as a beginner trader is psychology. And a lot of people do not treat this topic in details, and as a result most people jump into trading, learning fundamentals, learning technical analysis, and they think that by learning technical analysis or by learning fundamental analysis they can be successful in trading. But guess what will make you successful or not is your psychology, how well you get your psychology right, and also how you understand the financial market. What pair or what financial instrument are you trading? Do you really understand that financial instrument? I believe that for you to be successful in the financial market, you need to be selective. You need to be able to take one or two financial instruments and through and truly understand these financial instruments before you even start trading them. People just jump on the wagon of trading and start trading, and they end up losing huge sums of money. I did that at a point until I got to really understand the market. But I don't want you to do that. I don't want you to lose the money I lost when I was starting out. And this is why I changed the channel name to Trade Media to focus exclusively on how you can start your trading journey and how you can be successful at it. So this video is exclusively for people who are starting out, who want to really begin well and not lose a lot of money. A lot of people have lost money in trading because the fundamentals of psychology is flawed. Most people do not even know about psychology before they even venture into trading. They go on with technical analysis, thinking that technical analysis will get them there. Some people also focus on fundamental analysis, thinking that fundamental analysis will get them there. But guess what? These tools are key, but they will not get you there. The fundamentals, how you have to start, is learning the basis of psychology. And if you're able to learn the basis of psychology and then combine it with fundamental analysis and technical analysis, you will see a considerable improvement in your trading on your trading journey. And I'm here to help you do that. I'm Dr. Rick Otrey, and welcome officially to Trade Media TV. See you guys on another video. Bye bye.